Hi, and welcome to Link Library Online. In this video, we will discuss how to judge and select articles for your research purposes. From the CUNE Library homepage, we will navigate to the databases, where you should select the one you want to use. We will then enter our search terms and adjust some limiters. Narrowing our results gives us a more manageable list to work with. If you need help using these features and understanding how to search in the database, please watch our video on finding articles in the databases first. Once we have our search results, we can begin evaluating and selecting articles that will be most useful to us. Our job is to find some we can use for our research project. First, we simply read an article's title, and if it doesn't sound useful, keep moving down the list. When you find an article with an appropriate sounding title, click the title to open the record for the article. You can also go straight to the article by clicking the PDF link, but that will not allow you to make use of the many tools that would save time by helping you evaluate the article without reading the entire thing. Once we are in the article record, there are 4 areas that we can quickly scan to determine if the article is worth the time to read. The first criteria we used to judge the article was the title, which is what brought us here. The second area we should evaluate is the source. If we selected the peer-reviewed box, we already know the article is peer-reviewed. However, we can still gain information by looking at who published the article. It's good confirmation that the article may be a strong choice if it was published by a major organization within the specific field you are studying. The source can also give you an indication of the angle or perspective the article will take. If we like the title and the source, we can move on to the third area of evaluation: major subjects, minor subjects, or author-supplied keywords. These are some of the main indicators that enabled us to find this article with our search. These subject terms are important for your search. If you keep seeing the same terms in the articles you're selecting but didn't use them as one of your keywords, you may want to include them in your next search. They can help you get unstuck if you're not getting the results you were looking for with your own keywords. Often the search terms we start with are guesses, but using subject terms supplied by the author or database will help us get more relevant results. The subject terms also give us an idea of the main content and scope of the article, so we should evaluate them for relevancy to our purposes. The fourth and final area to assess is the abstract, if one has been provided. The abstract is a short summary of the article that will explain the focus or the findings of the study. Sometimes, even if the other indicators seem to be on track, reading the abstract can show you that the article is actually not in line with what you were searching for, and you can move on. But most of the time, the abstract will be the final confirmation that the article is something you can indeed use for your research. Once you have selected an article as pertinent to your research, there are several tools to note that will help you to move forward with using the article. First, of course, is the article itself. Articles come in either HTML or PDF format or both. By clicking on the PDF link, you can open the article to download it or print it. Articles with HTML format have some extra accessibility tools that you may find useful. They can be translated into other languages or read aloud by your computer with the Listen button. The last tool on the left-hand side is the Find Similar Results button. This tool will use information from this article to run a search and give you many more related results. You will want to reapply your limiters to narrow your results. Because the search is very broad, we can limit it to just a few years and still get many results. But for now, instead of continuing our search, I am going to return to the article we selected and look at some more tools on the right-hand side. These tools will help you save or send the article. You can save the article to your Google Drive or OneDrive. Use the email tool to send the article to yourself or perhaps a professor or classmate. Make sure to have the appropriate boxes checked to send the article as an attachment. The Add to Folder and Save functions require an EBSCOhost account. This can be a great option for saving and organizing research, but remember that you must be signed in to your account to save things. Otherwise, your articles will be put in a temporary folder and may be lost. Also keep in mind that these accounts are not affiliated with Concordia, so the library cannot help you recover your account. Another great way to save your research is by using the permalink in citation tools. The citation tool provides preloaded references for many different style guides, which is an easy way to get the information you need to return to the article. But beware, they often contain formatting errors, so don't copy and paste them into your reference pages without double checking them against your style guide. The permalink tool is very important. This is a permanent link to the article, which you can safely copy and paste to return to the article or share it with others. This is different than the URL in your browser, which is a temporary session link that will not work for sharing or returning to the article, so you should never save it. Always use the permalink. And that's all. So now you know how to efficiently evaluate articles to select the best ones for your research, as well as how to find related resources and how to save and share them.